Greetings to all. I'm your friend, Teacher Sam, and today I'm here to share with you some valuable tips that will help you ace your IELTS speaking test and visa interview. This is part 2 of our series, so let's delve right in. At number 7, we have good appearance. A well-groomed appearance can do wonders for your confidence. When you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you naturally exude positive energy, which in turn helps you to communicate better and make fewer mistakes. Remember, negative comments about your appearance can impact your self-esteem and confidence. So dressing appropriately can make a world of difference. Moving on to tip number 8, which is appropriate gesture. Gestures play a crucial role in speaking as they can add conviction to your words and help you express your thoughts more clearly. Modulate your gestures, don't overdo or underplay them. The right balance of gestures can make you appear more confident to your listeners. Our 9th tip revolves around grammar. A strong command over grammar and vocabulary is vital for effective communication. Research and practice regularly, and avoid using words you don't understand to prevent confusion. Tip number 10 is avoid lateness. For appointments like visa interviews or IELTS speaking tests, it's advisable to arrive a few minutes early. This helps you to calm down and relax, ensuring a more confident speaking performance. So plan your commute accordingly, considering factors like traffic. Lastly, at 11, we have use appropriate smile. A genuine smile can help you feel more comfortable, reduce tension, and create a positive atmosphere. It can boost your confidence and make you appear competent and attractive to your listeners. But remember, moderation is key. Over-smiling can make your listener uncomfortable. And there we have it, 11 tips to improve your speaking skills for IELTS and visa interviews. We've covered speaking with a calm heart, projecting confidence, being polite, maintaining respectful eye contact, speaking fluently, using academic vocabulary, dressing appropriately, using gestures properly, mastering grammar, avoiding lateness, and using an appropriate smile. Keep practicing these tips with me, Teacher Sam, and always remember, practice makes perfect.